Can you go use the phone? Your baby needs to use the phone. Can you call Nana? Have him use the phone.
My baby. Hi.
Ring the phone. Who is it?
Nana.
Nana? Now your baby wants a baba. Go get the baba from the kitchen. Oh, is that the fridge?
Baba.
Yeah.
Baba.
Baba. Now baby's tired. He wants to rocky. Can you put him in his crib? Good girl. Rocky. The doggy wants to go on the rooftop. Can you put the doggy on the roof? On the top of the house? Oh, the doggy's in the cradle. Oh, he needs to go potty. Put him on the potty. Good job. Did he go potty? Flush the toilet.
Sure.
Good job. Uh-oh, they need to do the laundry. Can you do the laundry? Where's the laundry?
Button.
There it is.
Yanni. Mama.
Do the laundry. Bye-bye, Pee-Pee.
Baba.
Good job. Now he wants to eat. Somebody's at the door. Who is it? Go open the door. Hi, is Ava home? I want to eat. Can you cook me something in the kitchen?
Boy.
It's a boy or a girl?
Boy.
Yeah, boy.
Boy, sit.
Mm-hmm.
Boy, sit down.
Sit down. Careful.
Baby, sit down.
Does the baby have to go potty? Put the baby on the potty. Good job.
Sure.
Flush it.
Push it.
Bye-bye, Pee-Pee.
Boy. Potty. Boy down. Baba, sure.
Say mama.
Mama.
Say dada.
Dada.
Say Gigi.
Diddy.
Are you sick, honey?
Baby.
You have a cough. Are you gonna go to Nana's house tomorrow? You are?
Amy.
And Amy?
And Nana.
And Nana?
And Dick.
And Derek?
Amy.
Amy?
And Bay.
And Bay?
And Dick.
And Derek?
Amy.
Amy? So?
Double.
Who?
Double.
Chubbas?
Dubbies.
Chubbies?
Dubbies. Dabs.
Boobies?
Boobies.
Can you shimmy?
Shimmy.
See, you're still a good mood when you're sick, huh, Muffin? Say bye-bye, camera. Bye, camera.
Jummer.
See you later.
Cake.